Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Mattermost on Debian 12. The first step is to ensure that a database server is set up for Mattermost. The recommended database server for Mattermost is PostgreSQL version 11 and above. To install it, use the following commands. Then, verify if the service is running. After that, ensure the service is enabled to run on system boot. Next, access the shell with the following command. Then, create a database and a user for Mattermost. Once the database server has been installed and configured, we need to download the Mattermost server. Run the following command. After downloading, extract the archive. Move the file to the following directory. Next, create a storage directory to persist the data. Create a dedicated user and group for Mattermost. Then, set the required permissions for the directory. Now, we will configure Mattermost. In the configuration file, add your database credentials as shown under the SQL settings section. Remember to provide the created user, password, and database name you created. Save the changes and verify that everything is functioning correctly. The output confirms that Mattermost is running and listening for connections on port 8065, the default port. To stop the service, press Ctrl and C, then run the following command. Next, to manage the Mattermost service using systemd, we need to create a service file. Then, reload the systemd using the following command. Start and enable the service. After that, check the status of the service. If you have a firewall enabled, allow the port through it. Now that Mattermost has been installed and started, you can access its web interface using the following URL. You have the option of using a desktop app or continuing with the web interface. Here, we will proceed with the web UI. Create a user account by providing the required details. Next, set your organization name. Choose the tools you use in your environment. You will be given a link to invite members to the team. That is it. You will now have Mattermost ready for use. There are two ways to secure Mattermost with SSL certificates. These are setting up TLS on the Mattermost server and using a proxy such as Nginx and setting up TLS on the proxy. For this guide, we will use a proxy, which is recommended if you have more than 200 users for better performance. This method also provides standard HTTP request logs. First, install the Nginx proxy on Debian 12 using the following command. Once installed, configure a virtual host file. In this file, add the following lines. Next, disable the default Nginx site. Then, save the file and restart Nginx. Once a virtual host has been created, install the required tools to generate certificates with Let's Encrypt. Next, issue the trusted SSL certificates for the domain name captured in your virtual host file. Fill in your information, and the SSL certificates will be automatically added to your configuration file. Allow HTTPS through the firewall. Then, restart the service. Now, access the service via HTTPS using the following URL.